Oh.
I know, right? I'm missing some.
Come on, Isabella.
I like that they're all just standing on the outskirts pointing. Look at that.
Come on, do you want these?
And full blast.
Mark turned that up when I got over there.
Come on.
Kenneth is loving it.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't either. I thought it was like, yeah.
It's okay.
You feel good? Nice and cold.
Kenneth is just mesmerized.
Turtle gotcha. Turtle gotcha. Oh, turtle
Go
gotcha.
again.
So funny. I tried to put the purple
Go
shoes,
back.
the ones that you went to Izzy, on her. And she just wrote it, and she's like, no, no messy. I was like, oh, okay.
Turtle gotcha. Get the turtle. Get the turtle. Get the turtle. Oh, that feels good, huh, Ruby?
Delilah's just slowly inching towards it.
Yeah. Well, because the first time it sprayed her a bunch right in the face, and she just walked away. Like, oh, why did this happen to me?
Get in there.
Layla, go get in the water.
Here, Izzy, you want to hold your hand?
Put it in your hand.
Okay,
Shoes are so
sorry.
cute.
So,
Ready?
are you cold?
It's like some sort of creepy shrine. They're all just standing there like...
Yeah.
Like, can I take the outside?
Yeah.
Kenneth!
Kenneth! Kenneth, no.
Put it down, baby. There you go.
Clever little stinker, isn't he?